So we are asked to simplify this function or this expression here. 15x squared y times negative 6x to the 7th y all over 3xy squared. So first things first, let's simplify the top and the bottom separately, and then we'll divide. Okay, so we'll multiply 15 times negative 6, which will give us negative 90. X squared times x to the 7th, you add your exponents, so you get x to the 9th. And then y times y will give you y squared. All over. Now if you have 3xy, all of it squared, then each of these are going to be squared. So you're going to have 3 squared, x squared, y squared. So 3 squared is 9, x squared, y squared. Okay, so now we can divide. So divide each term. So negative 90 divided by 9 is negative 10. X to the 9th divided by x squared, you subtract those, and so you get x to the 7th. Y squared divided by y squared, everything just cancels out, and so it's just a 1. Okay, so your final answer is negative 10x to the 7th. The second question asks, write in standard form and then classify the polynomial. So we will write this in standard form, looking at the largest exponent first. So we will have 4m cubed minus 9m squared minus m plus 25. So that's in standard form. And then we classify. So first by degree and then by number of terms. So the degree is 3, so it's a cubic. And there's 4 terms, so it's a polynomial. Okay, and that's your answer.